Welcome students. Good morning to all. Last video we talk about make 4-digit number using any one device twice. I hope you understand. So today we will talk about another making 4-digit number. Example, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digit with given condition. So in this kind of sums, we have to solve using. I will tell you example. I will take number 9867. Okay, the digit 7 is always ones place. This is a condition. So I am going to make for greatest 4-digit and smallest 4-digit number to use this condition. So I will make the table 4-digit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is greatest number and then smallest number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so what is the condition? 7 is always ones place. You know very well the place value ones, tens, 100,000. So ones place always you keep in 7 ones place. This is the condition. So we have to write greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number to the given this digit 4-digit. So I told you when you make greatest number you have to write as a descending order. When you make a smallest 4-digit number you have to write as a ascending order. So now I am going to make greatest 4-digit number. So I am going to write as a descending order. So descending order means which is the biggest number you have to write as the first number. So it's the biggest 9867. 9 is the biggest number. So I will write 9 here first. Then another big number means cover than 8, small number 8. Another small number 7, but is already written in one's place. So we don't repeat the same number. So another small number 6. So now greatest 4-digit number 9867 is the greatest 4-digit number. The same number we have to write as a smallest number. So I told you when you write as a smallest 4-digit number you have to write as a ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. So which is the smallest number? 6 is the smallest number. So I will write as a first. Another big number compared than 6. 7 is the biggest number, but already we place it. So don't repeat the same number. So another big number 8. So I will write here. Then another big number 9. So 6897 is the smallest 4-digit number. So using this condition, digit 7 is always ones place. So let me see another example. Okay, let me take another example. Another example number 4758. The condition is digit 4 always tens place. So before we talk ones place, now tens place. So use this condition. How we make as a greatest 4-digit and smallest 4-digit number. Let me see. First I will draw the box 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is for greatest number. Then smallest 4-digit number for this box. Okay. Now you know very well when you make greatest 4-digit number you write as a descending order. Okay. So descending order means big to small. So now what is the condition? Digit 4 always tens place. So ones tens. I put 4 tens place. Here also tens place. So remaining digits we have to arrange as per the descending order and ascending order. Okay. But these 4 not repetition. Okay. Okay. First greatest 4-digit number. So small to big to small. So this is a big number. So I will write as a first digit 8. Then second small digit 7. So I will write here. Then another small digit 5. But in this 5 we cannot write here because already 4 is placed in tens place. So we have to follow the condition. Then another place 5. Ones place we have to put 5. So this is the greatest 4-digit number. Then smallest 4-digit number. So ascending order small to big. So which is the smallest number? 4. Because already 4 here, so we cannot repeat the same number 2 times. So another big number 5. So we put 5 here. Then another big number 7. So here tens place already the number 4 is there. We have to write another next box 8. So this is the smallest 4-digit number 5748. Okay. Okay, let me take a third example. The third example 3269. The condition is digit 9 is always 100 place. So before we talk about ones place, tens place, now 100 place. So use condition and we have to make as a greatest and smallest number. So first I will make greatest 4-digit number. So the box is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then smallest 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the condition? The 100 place, 9 always, okay, ones, tens, 100. This is 100 place. So 9 I will put here already, okay. So remaining digits we have to place it. First I am going to make greatest 4-digit number. So greatest means we know very well as biggest to small number. Okay. So biggest, which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number, but is already in 100 place. So we don't repeat the same number. Okay. So another big number 6. So I will put 6 here. Okay. Then another small number. Compare then 6. Another small number which is 3. Then another small number 2. So this is the biggest, greatest 4-digit number. Okay. Then smallest number. So 9 place always in the 100 place. So you know very well when we make the smallest 4-digit number, we have to write as a ascending order. So ascending means small to big. So which is the smallest number? 2. So I'll write 2 first in this box. Then another big number 3. But in 3 already 9 is there, so we have to write next box 3. Then another number 6. So 2936 is the smallest 4-digit number and 6932 is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay. Okay students, given example, the diagram I have drawn some picture. Here Ram 160 centimeter, Dolly 154 centimeter, Mohan 158 centimeter, Shashi 159 centimeter. So use this height wise we have to write as a ascending and descending order. Okay, increasing and decreasing order. So how to write? We already talked in that comparison of numbers. So first we have to check number of digits. So here 3 digits, 3, 3, 3. So all are same. So first rule we cannot substitute. Then second rule, from left to right. Okay, left to right, first digit 1, 1, 1, 1. So second rule also not applicable. Then third rule, you have to take from left to right, second digit, all the given numbers. So 6, 5, 5, 5. Compare that this 6 is the big number, but I told you when you write as the ascending order, small to big. So as per that, small means 160 is the big. Okay, so we need to check this 3 digit because 5, 5, 5 same. Then we have to take third digit 4, 8, 9. Compare then 8, 9, 4 is the small number. So first Dolly is the very shortest boy or girl, whatever. Okay, girl, shortest girl. Then another big, compare then Dolly, who is the height. Okay, so 154, then 158 and 159. Compare then this is the another big number. So we can write 158 centimeter. Then compare the 158, big number 159 and 60. 159 is the another big number. So 159 centimeter. Then another big number 160. So this is the ascending order, 154, 158, 159, 160. So 154, Dolly is the first shortest height. Then another big one 158, another 59, 160. Ram is the tallest one. Compare them these 4 person. Okay. So when we write as a descending order, decreasing one, no? So descending order. So big to small. So I know I already told you 160 is the biggest height. So height taller. So 160 first, then another small 159, then another 158, then another 154 centimeter. So we can write use this way ascending order and descending order. Okay students, now we are going to discuss shifting digits. So what is meant by shifting digits? Let me take an example number 182. Okay, it's an example number 182. So if you look at it, 2 is the ones place, 8 is the tens place, 1 is the hundred place. Okay, so ones, tens, hundred. So now I am going to shift the any digits to make the greatest or largest number and smallest number. I am going to shift the digits. So you know very well, each digits have place value. The 2 is the ones place, 8 is the tens place, 1 is the hundred place, you very well know. Now what I will do, I want to create a largest number. Largest number means you know very well, you have to write as a descending order. So bigger to small. So what I will do, I will change the place value of the 8 from 10 place to 100 place. See, so I will make the box 3 digit. So 8 is the tens place, you know very well. What is the place value of 8? Tens place. Now I will shift the digit into 100 place. So 8 is the 100 place. Then another small number, you know very well, 2. So I will shift the ones place of 2 into tens place. Already is zeros place, sorry, ones place. Now it will shift into tens place. Then another small number 1, it was 100 place, but now I will shift into ones place. So 821 is the largest number. So what I will do, I done here shifting the place value. So I will make the greatest 3-digit number, largest 3-digit number. Okay, let it be. Then another example, another one for is the largest number, you know. So it's the largest number. Now I am going to the same number, smallest one. I am going to find out the smallest number. So smallest, you know very well. Smallest means ascending order, means small to big. So as per that, so ones place, tens place, hundred place. Okay. Now, so which is the smallest one? This is the smallest one. So we have to write as a is a 100 place. So we put as it is 100 place. Then another big number compared than 1. 2 is the another big number, but it is the ones place. Now what I will do? I am going to change the shift the place value into 10 place. Before it was ones place, but now in tens place because I am shifting the digits. So as per the ascending order, okay? Because small to big. Then another big number, you know very well, 8 is a 8. It was in tens place, but now it's ones place. So I shift the digits place. It become a smallest number. So it's a smallest number. Then this is the largest number. So you can take any number, put the place value and shift the digits. You can make greatest, largest number and smallest number and do some practice. Students, in our previous class, I mean 4th and 5th, you already learned which is the smallest 2-digit number, then greatest 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and 5-digit number. Okay, let me introducing 10,000. It's a smallest 5-digit number. So first we will just a glance. I will tell you the greatest 2-digit number, you know, 99. It's a greatest 2-digit number. If you add 1, you will get smallest 3-digit number. It's a smallest 3-digit number, you know very well. Then greatest 3-digit number 999. This is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay. Then if you add 1, what you will get? You will get 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. It's a smallest 4-digit number. Then another greatest 4-digit number 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. It's a greatest 4-digit number. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000. So 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. If you add 1, you will get 10,000. It's a smallest 5-digit. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Okay, so it's a smallest 5-digit number. So you know, greatest 2-digit number is 99. If you add 1, you will get 100. It's a smallest 3-digit number. Then greatest 3-digit number is 999. You know very well. You already learned in your previous classes. If you add 1, you will get 1000. 1000. It's a smallest 4-digit number. Then another greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So it's a greatest 4-digit number. If you add 1, you will get 10,000. It's a smallest 5-digit number. Okay. Okay, students. This section revising place value. Okay. Place value, because last year you learned how to find a place value. I gave some example. So now we will revise that same topic. First of all, I will take some 4 numbers: 78, 2-digit number, 3-digit, 4-digit, and 5-digit number. So how to find the place value? First, let me take example 78 as a 2-digit number. So you know very well, 78 means we can divide the number. How we can? 70 plus 8. So we can take 78. We can write as a 78. 70 plus 8. We can write like this. Okay, then I will tell some simple method. You write like this: 78. You know very well, it's a ones place. Okay, so first write this number 8, 7, like this. Then next, here put that symbol, multiplication symbol. What's the place value of 8? You know very well, it's a ones place. So put 1. Then another number 7. What's the place value of 7? 10. Because ones, tens. So in the multiplication symbol, 10. If you multiply, you know very well table, multiplication table, because you are a 6th standard. So 8 ones is equal to 8. 7 10 is equal to 70. If you add these two, you will get 78. So how many tens are there? 7 tens are there. So 7 tens is equal to 70. How many ones are there? 8 ones are there. So that's why in your book they are writing like this: 70 plus 8. Because tens, how many tens are there? How many sevens are there? 10 sevens are there. So how many ones are there? 8 ones are there. So 8 1 is equal to 8. 7 10 is equal to 70. So total 78. So we can find the place value like this: place value. What's the place value of 8? 1. What's the place value of 10? 7 tens. So if you multiply this, you will get 70 plus 8, 78. I hope you understand. Now let me take another example: 278. So 278. I told you, whenever you want to find the place value, you write like this, give some space and put these lines. Okay, you have to give some space like that. Now write this number as it is. Okay, write number as it is. Then put everywhere in multiplication symbol. That's it. Another one, I told you, you know very well, place value: ones, tens, 100. So 1, 10, 100. Now you have to multiply. You know multiplication table very well because you are a 6th standard. So 8 1 is equal to 8, 7 10 is equal to 70, then 200 is equal to 200. Then you add. How you can add? Like this, 200 plus 70 plus 8. So you will get 278. So how many ones are there? 8 ones. How many tens are there? 7 tens. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. So you can find the place value like this. Okay. The next 3-digit number, I will take a 3-digit number. So I will give some space, 5, 2, 7, 8. So whenever you want to find the place value, you write like this, give some space. Now put these lines. Okay. I think we don't have space, not enough space for writing that expansion number. Okay, we'll see. First I told you what I told you. You write number as it is. Okay, 7, 2, 5. Then after what I told you, put multiplication symbol. Then after that I told you, write the place value. 8 1. What is 8 place value? 1. It's a 10. It's a 100. It's a 1000. That's it. Now you want to multiply. So 8 1 is equal to 8. 7 10 is equal to 70. 200 is equal to 200 is equal to 200. Then 5000 is equal to 5000. It's clear? Okay, now I will add. So first I will write all the numbers. What I will do? First I will write big number. So 5000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. If you add this, 5278. So how many thousands are there? 5000. How many hundreds are there? 200. How many tens? 7 tens. How many ones are there? 8 ones. So you can get 5278. So the place value. Okay. Then we will talk about 5-digit number. Place value of 5-digit number. Okay. So I will put here 4, 5, 2, 7, 8. So I will put lines. I told you. First put lines as it is. Give some space. Then only you can write straight lines, because you are not confusing. Okay. So I will write what I told you. After draw the lines, put number as it is. 8, 7, 2, 5, 4. Then next what I told you, put multiplication symbol. Then what I told you, write the place value of the each digit. What is the place value of digit 8? 1. What is the place value of digit 7? 10. What is the place value of digit 2? 100. What is the place value of digit 5? 1000. What is the place value of digit 4? 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. So I put the place value. Now what I told you, you have to multiply the place value and digits. So 8 1 is equal to 8. 7 10 is equal to 70. 2 plus into 100 is equal to 200. 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. Then 4 into 10,000 is equal to 40,000. 40,000. Okay. Now I will write all the numbers. So 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. If you add, you will get 45,278. So I hope you understand. Please do practice.